Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So today we're working on that Sonata right here. We'll show you guys how to replace the front brake pads, how we usually replace them. You need to jack up the car, guys. Get a jack stand, something to support the car. And we're going to take the tire off now. The wheel demonstrate. Alright guys, we're demonstrating on the driver's side, but it should be about the same for the passenger side as well. We want to see what the brake pads look like on that thing and if they need to be replaced. So we'll just take them off and see how they are and show you how to replace them. We don't have them today, so we'll be installing the old ones most likely, but it will be the same procedure even if you're installing new ones. At least you have an idea how to do it. Save you some time, guys, to figure it out and or go to a place where they'll charge a ridiculous amount of money. You need to go inside now and you will need to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left now. Okay, so we'll need to put the key in, actually to the right on this one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start it because of the power steering pump. Okay, just like that. Okay, that's good now. And what we're going to do, we can access the brake caliper now. When you install new brakes, they'll be bigger than the old ones, so we will need to compress the piston here. So you can borrow a tool, you can buy a tool that will compress the piston for you. They're not very expensive, but we usually can do it with a screwdriver. Okay, if you get in the right place between the disc and the caliper, you will be able to compress them. Okay, once we find the sweet spot, okay, like that, a little bit there, you will gain, and then once you get the screwdriver in, you'll be able to do it. Okay, we got it a little bit now, I think. Okay, and once you get them between both, okay, you can see how easy it is to compress it. Okay, we need to gain quite a bit because the new parts will be bigger, and that should be enough, compressed all the way in now. And you can see, guys, on the back, those will be the two bolts that we will be removing right here, the one on top and the one on bottom as well. We recommend getting the compressing tool. It's way better to use it if you can, but you can do it by hand too. 14mm wrench now, and we're going to take those off. Those are the ones holding the caliper. Okay, and those glides there, you can check them for dirt and rust, and you can lubricate them, apply a little bit of grease. Okay, bottom bolt is almost out now, not very long, and now the top one, and now the bottom one. And you need to get a wire or a heavy duty zip tie, guys. Once you remove the brake caliper, you will need to tie it for the suspension somewhere so it's not hanging on the brake line, because if it does, guys, it will you might damage the brake line, and that's not good. I mean, you don't want to lose your brakes. And we almost dropped it here now. Okay, tight good, and we'll just get it in the spring right there now and tie it right there. Okay, like that. Yep, look at that spider. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't look good. It has black with red dots on the belly. If you have an idea, let us know what that is. Okay guys, and we're ready to remove the parts. You just slide them out. We will recommend getting the one with the shimmers and stuff. Okay, you can see the outside is not bad, but inside it's pretty much done. You can see it's almost all the way, so definitely we'll need to be replaced. Okay, like that. Okay guys, we went to the parts store, they don't have them in stock, so we'll have to put it together the way it is and do the procedure again. but I thought it's the same way you install new ones like old ones. You just make sure that the piston is compressed all the way in, otherwise you won't be able to place the brake caliper on top. We recommend buying the one with the shimmers, the new shimmers, and also it's recommended to turn the brake rotor. You can take it to the parts store. It's about $12, $10-12 to turn it, cut it, make it super smooth and nice. So if it's shiny, you might have vibrations. We have a video about that on our channel. So when you get the new ones, you just push them in, okay, like that, and the one right there as well. The inside and the outside are different, so don't confuse those. And the new shimmers, sometimes they come with brake grease as well, so just get the whole kit. It's recommended, it's better. Okay, and now we are going to get the caliper, place it on top, and after we place it on top, we just need to install the two bolts now. Okay, the one on the bottom right here, and the one on top as well. And if those are spinning, you can hold it here with a wrench on the inside, because sometimes they will. And stay with us, guys, there is something that you need to do, okay, before you proceed to driving the car, because otherwise you might wreck it. So okay, let's see what wrench is that one. That's an 18. Okay, I was able to hold it with the 17 a little bit here. So get those two tight, good tight, and don't make sure you don't break them. You can find the torque specs usually on the auto parts website. Okay guys, and now we go inside, and you need to press the brake pedal a couple times to get that play out of the caliper. Okay, you can see until it starts catching, because otherwise, if you start the car, put it in drive, the first so many times you hit the brake pedals, 5 to 10 times, probably even more, you will not have brakes. So pump it quite a bit, make sure you get the play out of it, install the tire, and this will be. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.